Ayan guys, today gagawa po tayo ng pork sisig. We're going to make what we call pork sisig in the Philippines, which originated in Batangas. No, Batangas, Bulacan. Alright, or Pampanga. So now the ingredient for this is after I soften the face and the snout of the pork and the pork ears. Malambot na to. It's now medium soft, I would say. With that, we will chop it up finely. Okay. And then we will include chopped garlic and onions. And in here, I am also making Chinese broccoli. So I boiled that into the water with a little bit of salt, olive oil, and you have to boil this in just 2 minutes. Okay, so you do not want to overcook this. You want to make sure that it is crunchy. Now, in here, I'm also making nilagang baboy. Okay, pork soup. So, we will show you that later on. And in this is the oyster sauce and hoisin sauce mixed together as a sauce for Chinese broccoli. So for now, malapit na po maluto ang ating nilagang baboy, pork soup. So, ayan, it's a pork snout and pork ear, which is, I included daikon, radish, white radish. And we will mix that right before we take it out because it's almost done. We are going to include, throw that in, the baby bok choy. So I am making 3 dishes today. Almost done. So maybe a couple more minutes and that should be taken out of the pot. Here, our Chinese broccoli, depending on how soft it is in your liking. Okay, for me, I would rather have the half cooked, so kind of crunchy. All right, so at this point in time, we are taking this out, guys. We're taking this out. Yeah, something like this. This is perfect. And in the water, when you boil that, as I said before, you put a little bit of salt and olive oil. Alright guys, ahin na natin yung ating Chinese broccoli. Ayan. So ngayon, i-arrange natin siya. Keep in mind, it's why it's shiny in the restaurant because of the olive oil that they put onto it. Kung gusto nyo dagdagan ng olive oil, pwede naman, no? If you wanna add some olive oil to it, you can. But for me, I think it's good enough. So, ayan ha. Yan pong ating. Ayan. So, ito na. Tapos yung mga subo niya, the rest. Okay, so arrange it well. Hiwain din pag makapal siya, no? Okay, so we're done with that. Pinali na tayo, ha? So, ngayon yung ginawa kong sauce nito sa restaurant na kinakain ninyo, ito na yon. Lagay natin yung sobra dyan. Baka gustong sausawan, no? Alright. Guys, tapos na ang ating pork soup. So, tanggalin natin yung ating bok choy. Half cook lang po siya. Not even, yeah, almost half cook. Because I wanted to have a crunchy texture to it. Okay. So there you have it. And again, you know, I did include white radish into it. Okay, so here's the white radish. I love vegetables. I really do. We Asian eat this. Pork snout, pork ears. I do. I don't know about you, but I do. And this soup is also based with ginger, guys. Ginger and onion. That's it. And as far as red chili, hot peppers, meron ako. Alright. So, need to have some broth. So, ito na guys, nilagyan po natin ito ng baby bok choy, cilantro, and scallion with hot pepper. Okay, this is the soup for today. And I hope you enjoy watching this. Okay, so I'm not done with the sisig. Yeah, okay, lutong Pinoy tayo ngayon. So now we are in the process of chopping the pork snout, pig's ear, to make sisig. Ayan, magluluto na po tayo. Gigisahin natin ang sisig natin, no? Normally, the original sisig is that after you soften it in boiling water, is that you are supposed to grill them. Okay? But for me, grilling or not, came out the same. You just have to taste that charcoaly taste on the pig's ear, on the meat. But because I don't like that charcoal taste on the meat, that is the reason why I do not like to grill them before sauteing in a pan. Yan na po. Okay, so this is the process of making sisig. My version. So what we are going to do is saute this with ginger and onions. And then, of course, we do have hot pepper. Because I love spicy stuff. So here with me is this. So this is what we are going to be. In case I need a lot hotter, I have that put up. Okay, so it is now. Ayan, medyo mainit na. Our oil is warm. So I have to saute that. So in here, I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce because I love soy sauce. Now we are going to be adding the ginger because I don't like overcooked ginger. Together with I'd like to add black pepper onto it. A lot. Because I like being spicy. And a tad of salt. So it is now steaming. Okay. Now we will add mayonnaise to make it creamy because I don't like to use chicken liver. Yummy. I just turn off the burner. I'll add the hot pepper. I don't want it overly spicy. Wine. And then we will pour some spicy vinegar. Now that depends on how sour you want it to be. You have to adjust it slowly. Ayan na po ang version sisig ni MC guys. Napakasarap. Sobra talaga at saka napakadali lang gawin. It's so easy to make. If you don't spend so much time on a grill. So I don't like grilling mine. And as you can see, it is perfectly spiced up. Ako, anghang. So ayan guys, oh. Yan, sisig tayo. Saka nandito na nakahanda yung ating vegetable na kakainin ngayong araw na to. At yung ating sopas. Ayan. Thank you sa inyong lahat na nanonood ngayon dito sa aking video.